All right, so we just put the lye in the oils, and we have coconut oil, castor oil, canola oil, avocado oil, olive oil, and palm oil, and jojoba oil. And we're gonna make our luxury shampoo bars. And they're gonna be scented with tea tree oil and orange oil. They're great for your hair. And we're putting a little bit of Panadol, D-Panadol in there to make it, your hair more luxurious. Okay, so let's start blending. That you can see that. Okay, as you can, I don't know if you guys can see it, but when I pick up this, it leaves a little bit of a mark on top of the soap batter. That means it's a very light trace. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my essential oils, tea tree oil, and orange. Okay, like you see now, see it really leaves a trace there. There's in a little film, a little thread. It's like a thread. Look. Can you see that, Kelsey? I hope you guys can see that. It really gives you tells you that's a trace. So, and it's better to explain it visually than just telling you. I think it's a lot better. So I'm gonna mix it up just a little more. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is fantastic. It smells so nice. Kind of like a light pudding. See that? Okay, it's ready to go. I think that's it. Now we're gonna put in our molds. Okay, now we're ready to mold.